NS 10K. May want to turn up your brightness. That'll work very well in your favor. All those engines are working it. Might not get a good picture, but I'm gonna try my best here. Wait until you see how shiny these engines are.
I'm gonna try to soak this in with my eyes.
That's not even my shiny! Oh my god! HLC, NLKL.
I can smell it a little bit. Tiny bit.
Oh, that was a weird tanker. Okay. Oh! AGV refined oil. Another one. I didn't think you were gonna make it.
I made it.
Yeah, just minutes to spare. 38
ETX.
That's the reporting marker, the company that makes those. NS coils, 1170 placards. Yeah, if you feel the engine tank, there's like a little diamond,
Yeah.
and there's like a number there. That tells you how dangerous it is. 1987 ethanol, 47 crude oil, 1075 petroleum gas,
Crazy.
1268 is diesel fuel. Got some wood. Now there's an engine in the middle of this thing. There's one more engine in the middle. Ah.
How do you tell it's the engine?
You'll see what I mean here. It's rolling up. I see the light shining off the cars over there, so yeah, it's coming up soon. 1075 petroleum gas. Got some black cars. Oh, here we go, Reading and Northern. Reading and Northern. Here it is, right here. Army Man, 7511. Here comes the Reading and Northern. The flat spot.
Look at that.
BNSF, rail box. '87 ethanol placard. Nice. I'll wait for those track cars to come in. They're in this train somewhere. 1075 placards, so fully got CSX. Roll the Western, Reading and Northern. This is the fun train. Reading and Northern. A lot of Reading and Northern. God damn, roll the Western. Beer can. Oh my god, there's so much stuff to look at! We got some reefers. There's your tail. Never mind, it's not, there's more! There's more stuff. BNSF. Okay, there's your at. There goes 10K from Conway to Allentown.
And then it's fucking silent.
That's that.